guys, I'm Deepika and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be talking about the most important step in my skincare routine, which is sunscreen. So I think that sunscreen should be a non-negotiable part in each and every skincare routine because UV rays exposure is harmful and extremely dangerous for our skin's health, which is why we should use a sunscreen to protect ourselves from harmful UV rays even when we are at home or on cloudy days. And recently I've got my hands on this newly launched Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Matte Fluid Sunscreen, which looks like this. This is suitable for all skin types. It has SPF 50 and this tube is around 75 grams and is priced at 645 rupees. So richness of vitamin C in a sunscreen is all you need for sun protection, and unlike other sunscreens, this has no white cast formula that fights off free radicals and visibly improving your skin's texture and radiance, making it look brighter and younger. The sunscreen protects you against the sun rays, makes skin bright with vitamin C, and also gives you a matte effect. Before venturing out in the sun, apply this Lotus Botanicals Skin Brightening Matte Fluid Sunscreen with vitamin C liberally on your face, neck and other exposed areas of your body. Massage until absorbed. Use this 15 minutes before stepping out of the sun for effective results, and keep reapplying this once in every 2 hours for better UV protection. And if you have like extra sensitive skin, I suggest you to do a patch test first on your arm, wait for like 15-20 minutes and then proceed. Let's talk about the key benefits of this sunscreen. So it has SPF 50, which helps prevent skin tanning and also reduces dark spots and pigmentation. It also has vitamin C, which improves your skin's radiance and elasticity, and this also gives you a mattifying effect. So this sunscreen is paraben free, sulfate free, 100% vegan, cruelty free. It has no preservatives, no toxic chemicals, and is certified safe, so you don't think twice, just go for it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any queries or any video suggestions, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will list a direct link for the sunscreen in the description part below, so don't forget to check it out. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.